If you look at this tongue right here, you can see that there's excess mucus accumulation all over the body. When the tongue is a bit to the swollen side, it shows inflammation in the whole body. Okay, and you see it's extensive everywhere. Right here is where the brain is. The head is the head region, and here's the brain. So it's congestion there as well, and possible sinus issues, congestion in the brain region as well. Okay, here's the breast region as well, congestion in the breast as well. Okay, and when you see pale edges like that, it shows blood deficiency, liver blood deficiency. So there's weakness of the liver and the spleen. Very clear. When you see jagged edges, the teeth marks, spleen deficiency. Spleen is also located here and here. Okay, so the spleen is weak. Weakness of spleen. Use lymphatic spleen tincture. The line that goes across here is the spine. It's congestion of the spine. Okay, the back, lower upper back region is congested. Here is the heart region, so it's congestion in the heart. Poor energy flow or lymph flow, nerve flow, blood flow. We need to address that. Here is the stomach, okay, also congested, and here are the small intestines. Okay, there's the large bowels. You can't really see clearly, but you see it's the darker side and it's green. When it's green, it's excess mucus accumulation. Here's the kidneys and adrenal glands, also congested with lymph. Okay, you want to address that. Use the herbs for the kidneys and adrenals. When you see the speckles like that, it shows excess heat in the body or excess acidosis in the body, and it's prominent in the lung region here. Okay, this is the left lung. Here's the right lung. So when you look at it, the tongue is opposite direction. Okay, so the lungs are congested with mucus. So 100% fruit diet with the herbs and thyme will take care of all this. Okay, like I mentioned to you, there's possible insomnia, head issues going on here as well. This needs to be addressed.